Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to turn off your Windows update permanently. Well, from the release of Windows 10, Windows actually made it impossible for us to turn off our updates permanently via the settings. So if we just go to settings, Windows update, and if we just go for pausing the updates or stopping the updates, we'll be only able to pause the updates for a maximum of 5 weeks. So in order to stop our updates permanently, what we'd have to do is we would need to navigate to the internal settings where we write a few lines of code, not a few lines but a single line of code, or we should go to the MSC files and we would need to do some things. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys everything clearly. So make sure to watch this video until the end. First of all, open your run command. It can be opened by pressing Windows plus R key. Now type services.msc. Just click on OK. If you just click on OK, this page will appear over here. Now press here and type for W. It will take you to this page. Here, just scroll down and search for Windows update. Over here, just double click on it. You would see the startup type. Just make sure it's in disabled. By default, it would be in automatic or manual. Just make sure it's set to disabled and just click on apply or OK. Now, close it. Now sometimes even after changing the MSC, your updates may not be disabled permanently. So in order to disable our updates permanently, the second step what we'd have to do is again open Windows plus R. Now open your registry edit. That can be opened or accessed by using the regedit command, that is regedit. Now after typing it, just click on OK. Just remember, you would need administrator access to do it. Now once you are in this page, I'll just full screen it for more visibility. This is how it would look for you by default. So now you would need to click on the HK local machine. Just increase the size. Now inside it, just go to software by clicking this key over here, and in the software we would need to look for policies. This can be done by just searching for P. The second P would be policies by default. In the policies, just open Microsoft, and in the Microsoft open Windows. As you can see, I have a Windows update file over here. If you do not have it, just click on Windows, here new, just key, and create a new key named Windows Update. As I already have a key named Windows Update, I won't be creating another one now. Now in Windows 11 by default you would have this folder known as AU, but in case you do not have a folder named as AU, you can just create a new by clicking on new key and name it as AU. And once you name a key named as AU, just click on new over here and click on dword 32-bit value and name the value as no auto update. Remember, there must be no spaces even at the trailing and the beginning. So make sure there are no spaces in between, or nor at the front nor at the end. Now just press enter. Now as you can see, this has been created. What this does is basically it will say the Windows software, it will create a new policy stating that there must be no auto updates. In order to, by default it will be disabled. In order to enable it, what you have to do is double click on it and just set the value as 1. You just set the value as 1 and click on OK. As you can see, this will change over here, and now the Windows auto updates would be disabled permanently for Windows 10 and 11. So guys, I hope today's video was useful to you. If it was useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to subscribe button if you want more such videos. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.